Today we're looking at the 2025 Heritage Glen, the 271RL. This is a rear living travel trailer. It has opposing slide outs in the living room with a bedroom up front as well as a big bathroom in the middle. This is an awesome floor plan just because it weighs 7,738 pounds. So a small to mid-sized pickup truck is able to pull this unit. The length of it is 34 foot 7 inches. So it's a nice size unit. But it's pretty compact enough the way they do it. They don't give you a bed slide, so that way it's lightweight up front. It's a pretty cool floor plan. Let's go take a look at it. Hey guys, it's Kaden from RV Wholesalers. Today we're going to be looking at the Wildwood Heritage Glen, the 271RL. This is a rear living floor plan. You're going to see that inside. Front bedroom, middle bathroom. It's actually one of the more popular ones. A lot of people like this because of the weight. You're right around 7,700 pounds, and you could pull this with your F-150 or any mid-sized pickup truck. So starting on the outside, first thing you're going to notice is a fiberglass exterior. So that is really nice because it looks sharper and it's going to be a little bit better insulation so you can camp in a little bit colder weather. JBL sound system outside, awning right here with an LED light strip, and you also have another one over here. So you're going to get pretty much full coverage on your unit. Full pass-through storage, can't ignore this. That goes all the way through. Lots of storage, you can store anything you need. You do have your wide stance suspension electric jacks here. So that's going to be a lot more stable for you walking throughout the unit. You have this is campers for dog people. This is what makes Heritage Glen so different. They do the little things so you can tie your dog up there instead of drilling into the ground. Yeah, and you have your solid surface steps. These are really nice because you're not going to move. They don't move on you, and they feel a lot more sturdier. But that's about it for the outside, so let's head on in. Here we are inside. First thing you're going to notice is the width here. You have a lot of room. These are opposing slide outs, so the slide out on each side. That gives you a lot of living space in here. Plenty of room in the kitchen and dining room. So that's real nice how they were able to do that. Square windows. I mentioned them on the outside. I'm going to show them to you again on the inside because they're really cool. The blinds are built in and they just snap on. So that's real cool. You don't have the ones banging everywhere when you're driving down the road, and you don't have the real annoying ones you got to pull up and down. Pretty cool design they did. The brown couches, this is leather. They actually gave you some nice fluffy pillows too. There you go. You have the cup holders in the middle with chargers, so that's pretty slick how they're able to do that in there too. This one is your pull-out couch, so this will fold out into a full-size bed, and that you can utilize that as sleeping, or it is comfy to just sit on while it's in couch mode. TV right here, and you're going to notice it says hidden storage behind entertainment center. I'll show you that here in a second. Right here is your fireplace, 5,000 BTU, just like the standard ones. And then right here is your hidden storage. There is a lock underneath. I already had it unlocked. That's why I was able to just pull it open. But you can lock it if you wanted to. But yeah, you can utilize that in a lot of ways. A pantry, safe, pretty much anything you want. Here we are in the kitchen now. Keep on moving right along. 3-burner gas cooktop here with an oven and some storage underneath. Some counter space here. Nice island here. This has a deep sink, and they did incorporate this in their 24 and 25. They didn't used to have that, so a lot of people like that. Furrion microwave here. That is your standard microwave, not a convection, because you do have the oven. Right here's your refrigerator. This is a nice size refrigerator. It's going to be 11 cubic foot, so plenty of room to store whatever you need for the weekend or a couple weeks. You can fit it all in there. They actually gave you a little bit of a bonus counter space here. You can utilize this as like a coffee pot or really anything you want for storage in the kitchen. You can do that. You have outlets here with your King Wi-Fi prep. Storage, and more storage in the kitchen. They don't short you storage. They give you everything, to where you can fit pretty much anything you need. But yeah, that's about it for the back area, so let's go up front. Here we are in the bathroom. First thing you're going to notice is you have a deep sink there with storage underneath. You have some shelves to the right and left, so your medicine cabinet's going to be to your left because they gave you the mirror. You have a nice size shower with the skylight above, so you have plenty of headspace for anybody that's too tall for the standard RV showers. They do give you the skylight. And then you actually have the porcelain toilet. Heritage Glen does the little things right. That's another one of those little things. Porcelain, so you're not going to have like the RV plastic toilet. So nice size bathroom, plenty of room, and let's go look at the bedroom. Alright, here we are in the bedroom. First thing you're going to notice is this is an RV king bed. This has the VersaTilt. That's a Wildwood feature, so it's going to be in your Grand Lodges, your Heritage Grand, your Wildwood. Anything Wildwood's typically going to have the VersaTilt bed, and it's a real cool feature. Your bed will tilt up, so if you want to sit in it, read, watch a movie or something, and then you can also utilize more walking space and then just put it down for bed. So that's real cool. You have closets on both sides here, and then they actually give you cutouts in these closets, so you can utilize this as for phone chargers or CPAP machines. If you wanted to plug it in there, you can do that. So you can utilize your CPAP machine as well. Storage underneath the bed. In the closet over here, you actually have washer and dryer prep as well. So you can put a stackable washer and dryer in there if you wanted to. That's a real nice feature, because if you want to use this unit long term or anywhere, you can do that no problem. Yeah, that's it for the bedroom. Alright, that's all for this unit. I appreciate you guys letting me take you through it. If you have any other questions or anything else we can do for you, you can reach me or my team at 937-843-4380. Thanks, guys.